Hey everybody, I'm going to do the Unit 2 study guide. So this is for the test for financial math. The learning targets are calculate short-term APR. You should know about the basics of contracts. And this is from, I think it's your paycheck number 9. This is 8, 9 of it's your paycheck, and 2, 3, and 4 of cards, and currency. You should know rent-to-own calculations and calculate simple interest. And this is the interest. The interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So just simple PERT calculations. Okay, I'm doing this at home because of virtual learning and stuff. So bear with me. We're gonna try to get through this. Okay. All right, if you borrow $382 and pay back $385 in 25 days was the APR you paid for. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find out how much it costs to borrow the money. So that's the total amount you pay back minus the principal. And that gives you $3. And that $3 goes on top of the original. So 3 divided by 382. Three divided by 382, so that's 0.007. So it's whatever it is. You're gonna multiply that number times 365 days, and so times 365. That's 2.87. And then you're going to divide that by the number of days. Okay, I guess we'll just divide it by the number of days. So it says 25 days. So divide by 25. So divide by 25. And that's your answer, but that's not as a percentage. So you need to change that to a percent. So the answer is about 11.47% is the APR. Okay. All right. Number 2 is number 2 is you pay $15 to cash your check in 5 days. You get 5 days early from a payday loan. Your check was this amount. So it's 15 is what you pay divided by the original 15 times it by 365, divide it by the number of days. So it's a 5-day loan, and then change that to a percentage, and you get 578.9%. That's approximately. So that's a really high percentage. That's a really high APR to pay. Those payday loans are vicious. So what seems like $15 is actually very expensive. You have the option of buying a couch for $500 or rent to own for $23 per month for 2 years. What's the difference in the price? Okay, so on one hand is $500 outright, or it's $23 per month times 2 years, so it's 24 months. So payments of $23 for 24 months. I don't know what that is. 23 times 24 is 552. 552. And so the difference is going to be 552 or 500. The difference is going to be $52. So $52. Number 4. Oh. 4 says you buy a car from a friend for $6,000, or have the option of rent to own for $150 for 4 years. How much money will you save by buying the car outright? So this is really just asking the same thing. So on one hand is $6,000 was the option to buy, and the other instance was $150 for 4 years, so it's $150 times 4 times 12 is 48. Yeah, so 48. So 48 months times $150 is $7,200, and then minus 600 is going to be, I'm sorry, it's 6,000. 7,200 minus 6,000 is $1,200. Whoop. So $1,200 for number 4. All right, number 5. Why should someone choose rent to own over buying directly? The answer is that when you rent to own, you're not paying a large sum up front, so you can make smaller payments. Okay, number 6. Parent agrees to buy a comic book from the middle schooler for the set price. There's an age limit for contracts. You're not really technically, I'm sorry, the word is legally. You're not legally able to sign a contract or agree to a contract or to enter into a contract with somebody until you turn 18, or so you can't enter into a contract with a minor. Number 7, your loan is under $600 for 3 years at 5%. How much will you pay? This is our interest. So for number 7, right here. Number 7 is $600 at 5%. You gotta change it to that times 3 years. So it's 600 times 0.05 times 3 years. That's the interest. It's $90. Question says, how much will you pay your uncle back? It would be $90 plus the principal, right? So it's $600 plus 90 be $690. You pay him back $690. Number 8, take out a mortgage for 15 years at 4% for $85,000 on the house, and you borrow the full amount. So how much is it? This would be $85,000 times 15 times 0.04. That's 4%, and that's $51,000. That's the interest, right? So you got to add back in the price of the house. 85,000. So 136. So you're going to pay 136,000. You're going to pay 136,000 to buy the house. That's a lot more than the original asking price, but that's the way mortgages work. If you don't want to pay 136,000, then save up the full amount for the house and just buy it outright in cash. Let's go to number 9. Okay, number 9 says you pay $700 to finance a car that costs $13,000 for 72 months. What is the rate you paid financing the car? So you might be wondering if this is the APR formula or if this is the interest rate. Since it's longer than, 72 months, it's longer than a year. So we're going to use the simple interest formula. Okay. So the way it works is, I got this here. The way it works is the interest amount that you pay is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. Okay, so the interest we pay $700 to finance it. and the car costs $13,000. And we're trying to find the rate. That's our unknown. And the time is 72 months. So 72 divided by 12 is 6 years. And simple interest time is always in years. And then we're going to solve for R. So we're going to divide both sides by 13,000 times 6. And that's going to tell us our R. So it's $700 divided by 13,000 times 6. That's 0.089 or 0.0089. And that's converted to a percentage is I'm just going to put it at 0.9. So 0.9%. I have to put the percent. This is percent. This is not percent. This is as a decimal. So 0.9% is our rate, which would be really good. That would be a really good rate. Number 10, you buy a car for $900 down and a payment and you pay $150 a month for 60 months. How much is the total cost of the car? So it'd be the down payment is $900 plus it's gonna be $150 a month, 150 times 60 months. So it'd be 900 plus 150 times 60, 9,900. Okay. This is number 10. Number 11 says you pay a total of $500 per month for 18 months to pay off the total cost of the car. How much was the down payment? So, the car is 11,000. So it's 11,000 is how much the total cost is. And it's going to be $500 per month for 18 months. So if you add the down payment plus the amount you pay, and you get the total cost. So right here, you just divide by 500 times 18. 500 times 18. So it'll be 11,000 divided by 500 times 18. No, this is bad math. This is very bad math. I'm not going to edit this video, but if you have x plus 5 equals 10, you subtract 5. See, I was doing that and I didn't think that was right. So this is wrong. So it's down payment plus 500 times 18 is equal to 11,000. And then you just minus 500 times 18. Minus 500 times 18. Okay, that's how to do it. So it's 11,000 minus, well, first off, what's 500 times 18? That's 9,000. So it's 11,000 minus 9,000. 11,000 minus 9,000, that's 2,000. So 2,000. So the down payment is $2,000. And then there's number 12. The blank, the loan of the car, the blank, the total cost will be that you will pay for the total. So basically, you know that the longer the loan for the car, the higher the total cost for the car you're going to pay. The shorter the loan for the car, the lower the total cost for the car you'll pay. Okay? All right, I'll post these online. Good luck on the test. Let me know if you have any questions.